Guys, welcome back to another video of Motivation, a Virtual Cure. As I promised you to do the question and answer session at start 5 p.m. So the question and answer session is out. Watch it and find your answers. So without any delay, I start today's question and answer session. Today we have 3 questions. So one by one, I used to answer each and every question. So the first question is: actions and feelings go hand in hand. What among the two, if changed, can simultaneously affect the other? Meaning, अगर एक्शन और फीलिंग जो है वो दोनों हाथों हाथ चलते हैं, मतलब अगर आपका अंदर फीलिंग आती है तो आप उस एक्शन को करते हो. अगर इनमें से कोई एक भी चेंज हो जाए, मतलब एक्शन कुछ कह रहा है, फीलिंग कुछ कर रही है, या फीलिंग कुछ है और एक्शन कुछ है, तो दूसरे पे इफेक्ट क्या पड़ेगा? आज इसके इफेक्ट को जानते हैं एग्जाम्पल से. जैसा कि अब हम लोगों के वैकेशंस चल रहे हैं, तो हम सभी लोग अपना हॉलीडे होमवर्क कर रहे हैं इस टाइम. सपोज आज मैंने सोचा कि मुझे हिंदी का हॉलीडे होमवर्क करना है. मेरे अंदर फीलिंग थी कि मुझे हिंदी का हॉलीडे होमवर्क करना है, पर मैंने वो एक्शन नहीं किया. इट कैन बी एनी ऑफ रीजंस. मन नहीं था, ऐसे ही नहीं किया. तो कहीं ना कहीं फीलिंग आपकी थी होमवर्क करने की, पर एक्शन जो था वो होमवर्क का नहीं हुआ. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक मतलब बहुत ही अजीब सी हेटेड वाली फीलिंग आती है अपने खुद के लिए कि मैं कैसा हूं, अब मैंने जो कहा मैं वही नहीं कर सका. ये इफेक्ट होता है आपके एक्शंस का फीलिंग्स पर या फीलिंग्स का एक्शंस पर. अगर आप उस काम को नहीं करते हैं तो बहुत अजीब सी फीलिंग आती है. जस्ट टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. जैसे आज आपको पिज्जा खाना है, आपकी बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आज मुझे पिज्जा खाना है. आप मम्मी के पास गए, आपने रुपए मांगे मम्मी से, मम्मी ने मना कर दिया. तुमने कहा नहीं मम्मी मेरे चाहिए. मम्मी का आज किसी भी सूरत पे किसी भी हालत में नहीं देंगे तुम्हें रुपए. तो आपके अंदर फीलिंग आती है, एक्शन आपने फीलिंग आई तो आपके अंदर फीलिंग आई कि मुझे तो पिज़्ज़ा खाना था, पर मैं एक्शन तो कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खा पा रहा हूँ. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर मतलब बहुत एग्रेशन हो जाता है. और ध्यान रखना, एग्रेशन आपको हमेशा लीड होता है. तो यही इफेक्ट्स होते हैं जो कि आपकी लाइफ के लिए बहुत ही हार्मफुल है. थैंक यू. आई होप यू एंजॉय, you really like your answer and you are satisfied with the answer. And if you really satisfied, please comment down in the comment box and please post more and more questions. So the next question is basically in 2 parts, and it is really a very excited question for me also, about motivation. Someone asked the question, the question is that if we are motivated by a soul only, then what is the need of motivational videos? Why we need a motivational videos? My dear, the answer is very simple. You all know what to do. Suppose in a student life, just a class example, just take it. We all can learn, read by the books only. Then why we need to go to school and learn from the teachers? What is the need of teachers? We can also learn from our books. We have the books. We have each and every content. Then why we don't leave the teachers without teaching? Similarly, it happens with the motivation. I know that you all are motivated with your soul. You all are self-motivated. But still then, we need the motivation. Somehow, it plays a role. Suppose that nobody is in this world is a great person without a teacher. Then how can you be a great people without a motivation? You need motivation. Somehow it plays the role. So don't think that motivation doesn't have any meaning. Now the other part of this question is that sometimes we are motivated by ourselves. We know what is our goal, what we have to do. The motivational videos is only needed for the people who are not motivated, who don't know what is their goal. I am just giving you the recent example before I am making the video. I was making the video, but my brother used to say that your picture is not coming clearly. Your video is going blur and blur. Many times I have tried this video 5 times. I know that I have to make this video. It is my goal. But still I was disappointed that 5 times it was given and I was not able to make the video. Just like this. You know what is your goal, but sometimes you got distracted. Sometimes you have the obstacles. For this, you need the motivation. I hope you are satisfied with your answers. If yes, then please post your comment in the comment box and post more and more questions. Thank you. Now the last but not least question. The question is, what is real success? We all have heard about success, but we didn't have about real success. Just take an example that you are told that you have to do engineering, but you don't want to do, but you have to do because your parents, your society will wish this. It happens in our life. It is not the statement, it is the reality. You did engineering, you have succeeded, you have passed it, and you have got a good job. It's mean that you have success. You are success for what you are doing it. But it is not the real success. Basically, the real success lies in your happiness. If you are happy, then you are getting your real success. Suppose that I want to become a motivational speaker and I prepare for it and I got success and I've touched the sky, I've touched each and everything for it. This is my real success for which I am searching. This is the happiness. The happiness, when you got the happiness from doing the things, that is your real success. So I think you are clear about what is success and what is real success. If yes, if you are satisfied, then please reply down in the comment section and please post more and more questions. Thank you.